Hi, today we will look at the Denver Castor plate assembly. We will look at our tools. We have two Castor plates, 25mm socket button, 45mm socket button, D-nut inserts, 5mm Allen key and 8mm Allen key. So to start, we will remove the existing foot and begin to remove the plastic. Once the plastic is removed, we will locate our Castor plate holes. We will begin to add our inserts. This will be 2 on the side of the arm, 4 on the bottom. Once we've added our D-nuts, we will place the plastic back on. We will begin to attach our Castor plate. We will use the longer socket buttons for the bottom of the arm. Then on the top or on the side of the arm, we will use a smaller socket button. And we will just add our Castor just as normal. And we'll look at adding the Castor to the back of the frame. We begin by removing the existing feet or wheels. We will use a Castor of 3 washers, place that in and begin to hand tighten. Then we will fully tighten our Castor using an Allen key and a 13mm spanner. Now we will look at adding the shock absorbing feet to the assembly. We have a mallet, 8mm spanner, 17mm spanner and a star head bit with a drill. Screwdriver is okay as well. So we start by tapping our bracket on. The bracket can only go so far as there is a perpendicular box section preventing it going any further. Once we're happy enough of that, we get our feet, our 2 spanners, place the foot in the hole, begin by hand tightening. Using our 17mm spanner on top and 8mm on the bottom, we begin to tighten our foot on. Once we're satisfied with how tight the foot is, we will add a cap to the top of the hex nut, leaving a nice finish